There are many Fridays in the calendar, but why only one Good Friday or one Holy Friday? Because one Friday, a good man died for the bad people. That's why it's being called as a Good Friday. The holy man died for the sinners. That's why it's being called as a Holy Friday. My friends, Jesus has come to this world to save you and me from the sin, from the wrath, and from the hell. There are many Fridays choose the suffering to save but you. Why and me? Only Jesus Friday choose the shame one holy to save Friday. You and me? Because Jesus one Friday choose the a good man died for the to bad save people. You and me. That's why Jesus it's chose the grave as a good Friday. You and me. Good Friday. There are many Fridays in the calendar. Love, but sacrifice. Why only Good Friday? Good Friday is all about one Holy man, Friday. That is because Jesus one Friday. So on this Good Friday, there are many Fridays in the calendar into your life. But why only Jesus in your family? Take a decision. There are many Fridays in the calendar. Jesus, but you why only for me on the cross Friday? So or I will live for you on this day. Because Jesus Friday sacrificed everything died for me. Bad people. So that's why I will live a sinless life for you. If you can take a decision like this, the holy man, God will definitely bless you.